Hi and welcome again. So let us continue talking about the data type in Python. Today we will talking about list. Now suppose that I have two lists. I have fruit1 list and fruit2 list, and I want to add list 2 to list 1. So we will say fruit 1 dot, we will use extend function. Extend. Now I will put the fruit 2. So now if I print fruit 1, it will have the element of fruit 2 as well. Run. So you can see I have apple, banana, cherry, mango, pineapples, and puppy. What if we want to clear the list? To clear the list, we will use the clear function. For examples, I want to clear the fruit 1 dot clear. The list will remain, but it will be empty. Run. You can see here it just print an empty list. Now how we can check if an item is exist in the list? Now we will use the same list fruit, which has apple, banana, and cherry. Now we will do if apple, we will use n fruit. Okay, now we will say print yes. Run. It will print yes. If the item is not exist, it will print no. Let's see. Else print no. Okay, so else print no. Let me change apple, change any letter here, remove E. Now it will print no, because this one is not exist. How we can know length for the list? We will use a function called len. For example, I have this list which is called list age equal 15, 19, 25, 28, and 38. Okay, now we will use print. We'll use the len function, list age. Run. It say it's 5. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's contain 5. So the length for this array is 5. How we can iterate or loop through a list? So we can either use for loop or we can use a while loop. So let us take an example. Okay, I'm going to copy the same fruit 2 here. So fruit 2, we will use first the for. So we will say for now item in fruit 2 will print item. So now it will be iterate through the list, so it will print apple, banana, orange, kiwi, lemon, and banana. Run. It's print apple, banana, orange, kiwi, lemon, and banana again. We can also iterate or loop using a while loop. So when use the while loop, we will use a lim function to determine the length of the list. Then we start at index 0 and loop through the list, and every time we increase the index by 1. Okay, so we can say here count equal 0 while count is less than. Now we will using the len function, so we will say len fruit 2 will print the fruit, and we will mention the index, which here is the count. And remember to increase the count by 1 equal count plus 1. So this here while loop, it will be do the same thing. It will be print all the item inside the list. Same for loop, but this is while loop. Here it print apple, orange. Okay, so let me just to distinguish, let me say here print while loop okay, so it's apple, banana, orange, kiwi, lemon, and banana. Okay, so far you learn how to access the list using for loop or using while loop. Now let us talking about sorting list, how we can sort the list. So simplify, if we need to sort an alphanumerical list, we will use a sort method, which will be sort the list alphanumerical ascending by default. Let's take a fruit list here: orange, mango, kiwi, pineapples, and let me remove banana, so no duplicate. So we have orange, mango, kiwi, and pineapple, and we need to sort it the list ascending. So we'll say fruit dot sort. Now print fruit. So now we have kiwi, mango, orange, and pineapple. Sorting the alphanumerical ascending, because it's by default is ascending. Okay, now if I have list of number and have 25, 80, 99, 63. Okay, so say list number dot sort. Now let us print it, print the list. Run. So it's by default it's sort ascending 3, 25, 60, 80, 99. Now, what if we need to sort the list descending, which is meaning from big to small? Okay, I'm going to using the same example. So what we will do, we just need to do reverse equal true. Now it's pineapple because it's P, orange, mango, and kiwi. Let's see how it's work with number. Inside the source, I will say reverse equal true. Now it should be start from 99, 80, 25, 3. 99, 80, 60, 25, and 3. From big to small. So this is the way how you can sort the list descending in descending order.